Good day, young buyers and investors. This is Dave Paulet, and today we are here at Little Baguio Terraces, located in M. Domingo Street, San Juan City. Bali, yung property na to is malapit siya sa Green Hills, Cubao area, SM Santa Mesa, and Newell area. And yung check natin unit is 2 bedroom, 30 square meter, and convertible na rin siya into 1 bedroom unit. Try check natin sa loob. Pagkapasok nyo pa lang ng door, ito na po agad yung bubuo sa inyo, yung living and dining space natin. And nakaready na rin po dito yung fiber optic ready natin para sa mga internet and cables, and also yung mga outlet. At syempre, hindi makakula yung fire sprinklers natin and smoke detectors. Bali dito sa kitchen area is kasama na po namin dinideliver itong under-counter cabinets, and may kasama na rin siya at nakabang ng waste rack. Sa ibang property namin is may kasama talaga overhead. Pero dito sa property na to, sa project namin ng Little Baguio is wala ko talaga kasama. And check natin yung first bedroom. Ayan. As you can see, ito na po talaga yung mismong space na air condition na yan for air condition. And may nakaabang ulit yung mga outlets din. Then sa second bedroom is equal size lang siya ng unang pinakitang bedroom. And may provision ulit na air condition and also yung mga outlet is naka-ready na rin. Pwede siyang i-convert into 1 bedroom unit at tanggalin lang natin yung partition sa gitna. Alright. So toilet and bath naman tayo. For our toilet and bath, kasama na yung lavatory, toilet bowl, and of course, naka-rain shower na tayo. Bale, itong unit na to is tinatawag nating standard finish. Meaning, livable na po yung unit, furnitures and appliances na lang po ang kulang. And for our amenity area, meron po tayo dito kiddie pool and adult pool. And meron din po tayo dito gym and daycare center. Ang mga available pa natin ditong units is 2 bedroom 30 square meter and 3 bedroom combined 60 square meter. Para maka-avail, need lang natin ng 25,000 monthly and 5% down payment para makalipat. And for more details, click nyo lang yung link na nakikita nyo sa baba para makapag-actual unit viewing tayo at ma-discuss ko po sa inyo yung buong details. Alright, thank you!